Hi guys, we are going to get back to work on our cereal project. So I want you to review your pricing strategy. Okay, so what did you come up with in terms of your pricing strategy for your cereal? What is your introductory price going to be? How are you intending on making a profit? What kind of markup are you going to have to make it worth your while to make this cereal go to market? So consider your pricing strategies. How much should you charge? How much is it worth? What's the market like now? So again, looking at what the cereal market looks like now, how much should you charge for your cereal? Finish your slide for pricing. What will your introductory price be? Will you offer sales to get people to try your cereal? Your markup calculation. So again, try to find how much it would cost to make a cereal similar to yours. Research what other cereals cost and consider how much you should charge at your initial introductory rate. And how much is your projected sales for the first quarter after release? So think about how many boxes you might sell. Will this be enough to make the investment worth it? Do you think it's going to be worth the time to invest? So here is mine, Cindy Snap's pricing strategy. Our introductory price is $3.49, so we're going to go about $3.50 a box. There is going to be a coupon for first-time buyers. There's a savings when you buy two; they get $1 off. The markup here, it costs about 38 cents a box to make, so I'm making about $3.11 per box on Cindy Snaps. For me, personally, I believe this is a fairly decent investment. They would make a fairly good amount of money by allowing Cindy Snaps to be a part of their brand. So reminder, please sign up for your dual credit if you've not done so already. It is in the important stuff that you care about folder. I will continue to remind you until the end of the week. I'm trying to compile my list of students who will be earning dual credit. We'll continue to talk about this a little further next week as everybody gets back to class. So after you work on your pricing strategy, our objective today, we're going to be able to identify the promotional needs for our product. We're going to look at promoting, advertising, and looking at that aspect of our cereal product. Why are we doing this? Again, to kind of help you understand the steps of marketing and to give you more information for your cereal presentation. So today you're going to be looking at promotions and advertising for your products. What is your theme or slogan? Think of that. What is your catchphrase? Okay. What does your promotional mix look like? Advertising, public relations, sales, promotions, personal selling. Are you going to go into stores, have people in stores, actually having people taste the product? Okay. What does your PR look like? What are your commercials going to look like? What does your advertising look like in terms of billboards or social media advertising? Set up a calendar for what the first 3 to 6 months of promotions look like. That will be on one of your slides. Okay, you'll need a slide that says that information. Today, work on a billboard, magazine, or social media campaign for your cereal. You'll work on your 3 to 6 month calendar and the billboard ad, social media ad, or magazine ad for your cereal. Here is mine. Cindy Snaps is going to use social media along with billboards to advertise to families. They're also going to market on Disney Channel and the Disney subscriptions, but we're going to get to those commercials a little bit later. So this is a social media post. This is an Instagram post that will go out in some of the advertisements. So it's our slogan is always be the belle of the ball, and then it's Cindy Snaps cereal. It has Cinderella and then the bowl of cereal. Again, just a quick that would come up in their social media feed just to remind them again about our cereal. So again, and then you work on your promotional timeline, create a plan for the first 3 months of sales. What promotions, deals, sales, public relations will you run to promote your business? Create that calendar and submit it on Schoology along with your design for your billboard, magazine, or social media advertisement. Okay, that is what you're working on today. Those things will go in your presentation as well, so you can go ahead and transplant those into your presentation too, but turn them in on Schoology as well. I'm always here if you have questions. I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Have a great day.